have to take my makeup off. So what I'm going to use to take my makeup off is Blush Off. This is them here. So what they do is you just get them wet and then you can just wipe off all of your makeup with the pad. You don't need anything else. So there's no harsh chemicals. Literally, it's just all natural to remove all of your makeup. And I love that it eliminates any makeup wipes. So I do not use any wipes anymore. Okay, so now that the face wipe is wet, let's take off this makeup. Whoa. Now I'm going to take off these lashes. Literally, that has taken every little bit of makeup off my face. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to clean this and see how clean it gets with the shampoo cleanser to show you guys how it works. So what I love about this shampoo cleanser as well is that you can use it on your brushes and also on any of your sponges, as it is an antibacterial cleanser. What I love about these sponges as well, that they actually have an antibacterial sponge in them, so it allows them to absorb more water into them, which helps with hydration on the skin. But highly recommend, as you can see, amazing.